This is the second OSCE. Again, this is a swab taking OSCE. This is again a swab taking OSCE, but here what we are focusing on is we are going to be focusing on the survivor of rape. Okay, the survivor of the rape. Again, here you have to show a lot of empathy when you are dealing with a survivor of rape. You have to be speaking in a non-threatening manner, non-judgmental manner. Empathy दिखाना है, sympathy नहीं. Sympathy has no place here. Okay. Now there are certain disadvantages to using a mannequin. I'll tell you as the examination proceeds. Here also we have 3 swabs that we take. Okay. We might not be able to follow exactly all the steps that they do in OBGY. But this is just to give you an idea on how to collect samples and how to go about doing it, so that you don't miss the bigger picture. Actually, when you're going to gynae, they don't teach you this again, but that point of time they'll teach you more things. Like you always have to have a female attendant. Okay, it is always preferable to have a lady medical officer do this. All of those things are going to come later on. Here, that's why we are only focusing on the swab taking wala part and the 3 components, that is performance, description and communication. Okay, here also you have 12 steps. 8 steps have 1 mark each and 4 steps have 0.5 marks each. Clear? Again, I have the same examiner. Okay, I'll do the thing. I'll describe everything to you and then we'll do a reboot. Clear? Yes. Same as last time. Same as last time. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Good day. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Som Sharma. I'm roll number 1. I've been assigned the OSCE exercise in swab collection from a survivor of rape. Ma'am, this is a case of a 24-year-old female. She has been subjected to penetrative, forceful sexual intercourse by an unknown assailant. The assailant was single. He committed penetrative sexual act. He ejaculated inside her. He did not use any barrier contraceptive. Ma'am, this incident happened about 8 hours back. The survivor has not washed her local area. She has not done any douching. All her clothes have been packed and she has urinated once since the incident. Ma'am, I have spoken to her and I have explained the entire procedure in a language of her understanding. She has agreed or she has consented to be me being the examiner and performing this procedure. May I proceed?
Proceed.
Putting on my gloves, my mask, my PPE. दीदी, जैसे हमने बात किया था, अब हम आपके सैंपल लेने वाले हैं. इसमें कोई दर्द नहीं होगा, इसमें कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं होती है. आप हिलिएगा मत. अगर कोई तकलीफ़ हो तो आप मुझे बताइएगा, ठीक है? अगर आप हिलेंगे तो हमें वापस से सैंपल लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? दीदी, अब हम आपका पहला सैंपल लेने वाले हैं. हिलिएगा मत. Proceeding with the first swab. The first swab is taken from the external parts of the labia majora and minora in a rolling fashion. Right, stabilizing the patient with my non-dominant hand, and then I am taking swabs from the labia majora, labia minora in a rolling fashion. दीदी, आपका पहला सैंपल ले लिया है, कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं हुई? The first sample has been collected, air dried, sealed, packed, labeled. दीदी, आपका दूसरा सैंपल लेंगे, ठीक है? इसमें कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं होगी, दर्द नहीं होगा. आपको कोई अगर प्रॉब्लम आए तो आप मुझे बोलिएगा, आप हिलिएगा मत, नहीं तो हमें वापस से सैंपल लेना पड़ेगा. Stabilizing the patient with my non-dominant hand. Okay, slightly retracting the labial folds, inserting centrally. Now I take the swab in a rolling fashion from all 4 vaginal walls. The insertion is about 2 to 4 centimeters only in depth. We are not going very deep. In a rolling fashion, the entire surface. Again, retracting the labial folds, extracting centrally. दीदी, दूसरा सैंपल भी हो गया है, कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं हुई? Ma'am, the second sample has been collected, air dried, sealed, packed, labeled. दीदी तीसरा सैंपल लेंगे, ठीक है, कोई घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसमें दर्द नहीं होता है, इसमें कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं होती है। अगर आप हिलेंगी तो मुझे वापस से सैंपल लेना पड़ेगा। थर्ड सैंपल, अगेन स्टेबलाइजिंग विद द non-dominant hand, retracting the labia, inserting centrally, going down to the posterior fornix. The posterior fornix, in a rolling fashion, collecting the sample, retracting centrally. दीदी तीसरा सैंपल भी हो गया है, ठीक है, कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं हुई? मैम, थर्ड सैंपल हैज़ बीन कलेक्टेड, इट्स बीन एयर ड्राइड, सील्ड, पैक्ड, लेबल्ड. मैम, all three of my samples have been collected. They are sealed, packed, they are labeled, they are ready for dispatch to forensic science laboratory for analysis. Thank you.